Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into JotForm submissions step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.jotform.com and press enter. Once the JotForm homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your JotForm username or email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link beneath the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click the Login button. After a moment, you should be directed to your JotForm dashboard. On the left side, locate and click on the My Forms tab. Scroll through your forms to find the specific form for which you want to view submissions. Click on the form's title. This will open the form's settings and options. On the upper section of the page, click on the Submissions button. A new page will load, displaying all submissions for that form. From here, you can view, filter, and manage your submissions as needed. Make sure to log out when you are finished by clicking your profile icon at the top right corner. Select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.